This is an example of how to work on a homework and how to submit it. Let's say you want to do homework 0, the beginning math homework, and here is what you're supposed to do. You go to your Canvas page for the course, of course. You go to Files, Homework, and here you find a PDF file or a Word document that is named Homework 0, HW0 for Homework 0. You open it. And here you see the contents, the questions that you're supposed to do. And if you scroll down, you'll see that you have 22 questions in total. What you need to do is to start doing the questions, doing one at a time. So let's say you look at question 1, you do the math, and you believe that the answer to question 1 is D. Now you want to take note of it somewhere. I'm opening an Excel file. You don't have to. You can take notes anywhere. Let's say I'm just keeping notes that my solution for question 1 is option D. Then I move on to the second question. I do the same thing. I do the question and I think the answer is A, so I take note. I do the same thing for question 3, solving it and choosing an option accordingly. And I have to continue doing it for all the questions, finishing the entire homework first. So if I have 22 questions, I'm of course taking note of 22 solutions. I'm not going to do the entire thing because you got the idea, but once you're done with everything here, you close this, go to assignments, find homework 0, you open it, and here you see you have separate boxes for each of these 22. So if you have 22 questions on the homework, you're going to have 22 boxes to fill in. So my solution to the first question was D, to the second question A, to the third question B, and you need to make sure you're putting all of your answers in all of these boxes. Please do not put anything else in these boxes. So if you put something like answer B, you're not going to get the points for this because it's a matching box. If the value that you're putting in the box is identical to the value that is expected in the box, you're going to get the points. If you put anything else, it's going to result in a mismatch and you're going to lose the points. So please only put a letter here. It doesn't matter if it is uppercase or lowercase. It could be B, it could be A. They're all fine as long as you just put one letter and nothing else. And you go all the way to the bottom. You make sure you answer all the 22 questions. It is a one-time attempt, so make sure you do it correctly. And you click submit. Right now, you can only see your grade. Unfortunately, none of the 3 answers that I gave were correct. So out of 2 points, I got nothing. And you cannot see the correct answers until after the due date. So right now, the correct answers are not available, but you're going to see the date and time that the solutions will be available. Once they're available, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see that the correct answers are shown. Either if you've done one question correctly, you will see the confirmation basically that you've done it correctly, and if you've missed the point on a question, you will see the correct solution for that one next to your incorrect answer. And that's the whole process. You do it for homework 0, and of course, by the time that you are moving on to do homework 1, you again do the same thing. You go to homework, you find the file, rinse and repeat.